Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? It's a really great news for all Vechain holder, and I have surprise for all Vechain holder, my brothers. They will wake up and they will starting moving upward now. So what experts says about Vechain, especially on Twitter, can really there is a chance so they will move moving upward. There is a 70% chance. I will clearly tell you, my brothers, to 70% chance so they will wake up and they will moving upward now. Absolutely, I am going to prove, my brother, everything. But kindly, first of all, I will update you, and after that we will get this coin. So the last 1 hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, all change occurring. First of all, you can see a suggestion only in last 1 hour they will wake up. It's a really great news for all of you. Today will wake up, and otherwise, my friend, in last 24 hours, last 7 days they will fail down. So please subscribe this channel and also like the video, and also, my brothers, subscribe our YouTube channel, because every channel will guide you, update you. So please, for notifying, just and only press the bell icon for videos notification. All right, my brother, if we just and only check it out, my friend, the price of 0.06 USD dollar is the latest price now, my brother. This chart, last 1 month chart, my friend, is on the screen, and this chart is completely show you, my brothers, to the coin is dumps down and they will fails down. So absolutely, my friend, you know what's the reason, my friends, so they will dumps down, and can really there is a chance so they will wake up in upcoming time. Yes, my brother, there is 100% chances so they will wake up, but just and only that's all need, my brother, your focus now. If you hold, so I hope the price will be increasing now in upcoming time. So why you are my friend starting selling? Definitely, if you starting selling, so they will dumps down more and more. But if you hold it, so I hope they will moving upward now. So kindly hold it and definitely wait for the good time. I hope the price will be increasing. So Vechain holder, what you say, can really in upcoming time they will move upward? Expert says, my friends, so there is a 70% chance to upcoming time the price will be increasing. So if there's 70% chance, so they will move upward. So I hope they will give you a very good profit. Kindly invest now and wait for the end of month and sell it. I hope they will make you millionaire now. Thanks for watching, Vechain holder. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel for more this type urgent and good news videos now. Allah Hafiz, take care.